Hi there, I'm Jairo for Contabo. Today we're diving into Infrastructure as Code, or IAC, and how you can use it to deploy cloud infrastructure reliably and fast. Using tools like Terraform automation, Ansible Playbooks, and solid configuration management practices, you will learn how to set up servers, networks, and applications like a pro, all with code. So let's break it down. Infrastructure as code means treating your cloud infrastructure like software. Instead of clicking through a dashboard or writing manual setup instructions, you write code, scripts that define your infrastructure, version it, and roll it out consistently. This is where infrastructure provisioning comes in. It's the automated process of setting up compute instances, networks, databases, and more. First, let's use Terraform for infrastructure provisioning. Terraform is great for defining cloud resources like VMs, storage, and firewalls in a simple declarative syntax. This script creates a virtual machine on Contabo infrastructure, fully automated through code. While Terraform supports many cloud providers like AWS, GCP, and Azure, there's no reason to spin up machines elsewhere if you're using Contabo's high-performance and cost-efficient servers. To run it, simply run this command. And your infrastructure is up and running. That is the power of Terraform automation on Contabo. Next, we handle configuration. That's where Ansible Playbooks come in. Ansible helps you automate software installation, user accounts, firewalls, anything that runs on your server. You run this with this command. This ensures your server is configured exactly the way you want every time. That's configuration management in action. Let's say you're launching a new product page for your e-commerce site. With IAC, you could spin up a new VPS using Terraform, configure it with Ansible to run your app stack, say Nginx, Node.js, and PostgreSQL, and deploy it within minutes. No manual steps, no drift, full reproducibility. Here are a few quick tips. Keep your IAC files in version control like Git. Use variables to make your Terraform reusable. Test your Ansible playbooks in staging before pushing to production. Separate provisioning Terraform from configuration Ansible for clarity and control. So to recap, use Terraform automation to provision infrastructure. Apply Ansible playbooks for server configuration, and maintain clean configuration management so everything stays consistent. And remember, infrastructure as code lets you move fast, stay secure, and keep control. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more tutorials from Contabo, and leave a comment if you want a deeper dive into Terraform or Ansible. Thanks for watching and happy automating!